This is a Excel challenge posted by Mohammed Shah Alam, who is a Microsoft certified trainer on his LinkedIn account. So we are going to look for a solution to fix this problem. Now the question is to sum the total collection amount, that is for Jan, Feb and March, loan type wise. So basically we are looking for this column and these three column that contains collection amount. This should be the expected result, right? Let's start now. We are going to use group by formula here. For the row field, we are going to select the loan type, and for the values, we are going to select the collection amount. We are just supposed to add all these three columns to get our results like this. For the function, as we know, we need to sum all these three columns, so I'm going to use sum and enter. Now, most of the part has already been done, but we need to get the exact result as per the expected result mentioned here. So it consists of header, that is loan type and collection amount. So we are going to use vstack for this. Now under the curly bracket, I'm going to use loan type and then collection amount. I'm going to close a curly bracket now and then put a comma. Now one more closed bracket here, you will have the results. The only thing which is extra here is the last row displaying total. So we need to take this off. For this, I'm going to use the take formula. And from this array, I'm going to just select 4 rows and 2 columns. So we can have the exact results. Now this is one of the solution that I can think of. Maybe you may have other alternates to fix this problem. If you know any other solution, you can comment.